In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook profile picture privately without notifying or without making it public on your timeline. So to do so, it is quite simple. The first thing you need to do is to head over to this menu icon here with your current image, or if it doesn't have an image, it will be blank. Just go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on your name here. And under it, you can see this is my current profile picture. However, I like to change this picture, but it should not appear on my profile or on my wall. To do so, it is quite simple. Just tap on it or tap on this camera here, and then this will take you to your gallery. Then choose the image that you want to switch to or to upload, and here it is. And this is where you want to take precaution. Before you go ahead and save it, there is one more step that you need to take. We have an option here to share your update to newsfeed. So if you go ahead and leave this checked, your changes will be published on your timeline. If you want to do it anonymously or privately, go ahead and uncheck this. And now tap on save. And this will go ahead and our profile image or photo will be changed. And now here it has been changed to the new one. And now if you go back to your profile, you'll find that this image is not public to your timeline. However, people can only see it when they look at your profile image. And now if I scroll down, you can see our profile picture is not on my timeline. So that's how you make your profile picture private when you upload. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.